Sesame Street home video visits.
McDonald's!
Hi,
Good morning, Big Bird.
I'm Maria.
How are you feeling today?
Oh no! I think I'm catching.
And everything hurts, even my feathers. Oh. I don't think I feel very good, Maria.
Open your mouth. Oh, it looks red in there.
It does?
Yeah.
Whatever's in there really hurts when I breathe. What's wrong with me, Maria?
Bitch, did you not listen to the song from like 30 seconds ago?
I'm gonna call the doctor. You might have to go to the hospital.
Now wait a minute.
Say, you are one big bird.
Shut up, you grape-looking slut!
What's the matter?
Well, he's had this cough for a few days, and he has trouble breathing. You know, it sounds like there's a little bird in his chest.
There's no reason to be scared. Come with me so I can you and we can start to make you feel better.
One eternity later.
Hi, I'm Jim. I'm going to give you a ride. Now this is a picture of your tops the X-ray machine took. This spot on your tops tells me that you have lung.
Is it serious?
Well,
I don't really know what that means.
But I want to go home.
I should think 2 or 3 days.
Nobody kill me!
There's a needle. It's gonna hurt, isn't it?
Yes, but only for a little while, and I promise I'll do it as fast as I can.
Oh, I don't want to.
Oh, Big Bird, let's think about something else while she does that, okay?
Well, Maria, tell me a story.
Yes, of course.
Audible Inc. presents Go the Fuck to Sleep. Written by Adam Mansbach. Narrated by Samuel L. Jackson.
The next day.
Let it die, let it die, let it shrivel up and... The humble Raising Cane's chicken finger. 24 hours of marinating and not a word about its flavor. It credits that terrifically tangy sauce. And the cane sauce? Well, it's okay with that.
What